Dear students, today now we are going to talk about sixth science revision. Some of the revision questions. First one, what are the medicinal plants? So very important questions. What are the medicinal plants? Plants that have ingredients. Plants that have ingredients which can be used in drug preparation are known as medicinal plants. Plants that have ingredients which can be used in drug preparation are known as medicinal plants. Example, tulasi, neem, etc. Explain the attraction and repulsion between magnetic poles. Explain the attraction and repulsion between magnetic poles. Answer, like poles, north to north, south to south, repel each other. Unlike poles, north, south, north, attract each other. Two power magnets are given in the figure A and B by the property of attraction. Identify the north pole and the south pole in the power magnet. Figure B. Okay. Answer. The figure A has S and north poles. In the figure B magnet, nearer to the north pole of figure A in is south pole and the next pole is north pole. Name 4 different sources of water: rivers, wells, lake, glaciers, ponds, etc. What are the 3 main constituents of soap? The 3 main constituents of soaps: lye. Lye means sodium hydroxide, coconut oil, and water. 3 main constituents: sodium hydroxide, coconut oil, and water. Define ecosystem. Define ecosystem. An ecosystem is a community of living or biotech and non-living or a biotech things that work together. Listen, define ecosystem. An ecosystem is a community of living or biotech and non-living or a biotech things that work together. Say next question. Name some pollutants. Answer, toxic gases and fine particles from burning fossil fuels. Chemical list from factories. First point, toxic gases and fine particles from burning fossil fuels. Chemical list from factories. Second point, sewage, industrial effluents and pesticides and fertilizers. Third point, plastic and electronics are land pollutants. What is biodegradable waste? The term biodegradable is used for those things that can be easily decomposed by natural agents like water, oxygen, ultraviolet rays of sun and microorganisms, etc. Listen, the term biodegradable. It is used for those things that can be easily decomposed by natural agents like water, oxygen, UV rays. UV means ultraviolet rays of sun and microorganism, etc. What are hardware and software? Answer, hardware. Hardware is the parts of the computer which we can touch and feel. Listen, which we can touch and feel. Hardware includes input and output device, cabinet, hard disks, CPU, um, keyboard, etc. Next, software. Software are program and coded application to process the input information. The software processes the data by converting the input information into coding or programmed language. Touching and feeling is not possible. Software touching and feeling is not possible, but we can see the functions of the software in the form of output. Thank you, students. This is an important question. Please study well. Thank you. God bless you.